Hey folks, pleasant day across the valley with some sunshine around the region. Temperatures warmed up into the low 70s in most locations. We've cooled back off from that. These are the currents: 62 Raymondville, Weslaco, 67 still in McAllen, Rio Grande City holding out at 69 degrees this evening. Low temperatures overnight tonight. We'll be back in the low to mid 50s again, so another cool night. A jacket required if you're headed out, or first thing in the morning you'll want something light as well. And it's not going to warm up all that much tomorrow. Pretty close to where we were today, mainly in the upper 60s, maybe about 70 at the beach. The winds turn around a little bit, come more out of the east. That brings more moisture in. The clouds come back in. It's that extra cloud cover that will keep temperatures a little bit cooler and make it feel a little cooler because you don't have as much incoming solar radiation, insolation. You don't have as much of that going on tomorrow because of the extra cloud cover. 69, then 74 on Thursday, 79 on Friday. We do warm it back up, but as we warm it back up, we also bring the moisture content up, and with that, we bring the rain chances up with a pretty decent shot at some stuff around the area on Friday. Really Thursday night, Friday night. That's our window, and then it goes away in time for the weekend. Watch Future Track. Says just clouds overnight tonight. During the daytime tomorrow, noon, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, just more clouds. Could be a sprinkle, but I don't expect any rainfall tomorrow. Thursday, maybe a 20% probability of a brief shower around the region, but nothing widespread, but probably a mainly cloudy day, almost an overcast day on Thursday as moisture content really comes up. Then we go to Friday. Look what the model does then. Here comes the moisture, scattered showers, even some thunder showers mixed in with this on Friday. We're holding at 40% right now. That number could go up on Friday. Depends on the way this system moves across the country, really across northern Mexico and across Texas on Friday into Saturday. But I think from Thursday night, Friday night, that's our best chance for rain and an isolated thunderstorm or two. Certainly a possibility with that. It's cold in North Texas, only 43 in Dallas, 40 in Dalhart, even Austin 51. And San Antonio's 54, while we were again closer to 70 this afternoon. And for the most part, a sunny day across the state, but everything will change as we make our way closer to the end of the week and the weekend. Surface winds out of the southeast tomorrow. That will bring more moisture, more humidity back in. Upper level winds out of the west. Right now, that's a mainly dry flow, but that will all change. Not so much tomorrow, but by Thursday, notice this flow starting to buckle. A cool front works its way into Texas. By the time you get to Friday, rain from here all the way to Oklahoma, and some of it could be heavy at times as this big low of the upper atmosphere digs in and works with this moisture coming in off the Gulf, and the map just gets messy. Look at the Texas Panhandle. Snow and ice on Friday. Some of that lingers into Saturday. That whole system makes its way across the state Saturday. And I think by Saturday afternoon, it's far enough east, we dry things out. But for us, we're on the very southern edge. Notice there's not much rain south of us. Where's that cutoff point going to be? Probably pretty close to us, but I think we'll see at least a few showers. The farther north you go, the more rain you're going to get into. Everybody traveling up to that football game on Friday, you're going to run into rain in San Antonio and probably everywhere from here to there. It'll be lingering into Saturday as well. I think by Sunday, it's all gone. In fact, by Saturday afternoon, most of it's gone, and we get sunshine back in here in time for the second half of the weekend and some cooler temperatures, but kind of a messy weather map developing for the end of the week. Traveling tomorrow, first thing in the morning, this is 4 a.m., 44 San Antonio, 35 in Dallas. By later in the morning, 11 o'clock, you're looking at temperatures still in the 40s and 50s. So travelers, it's going to be a chilly day across the Lone Star State tomorrow. We'll bounce back close to 70, but everybody else stays much, much cooler than that. At our coast, winds out of the east tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV's moderate. Small craft operators urged to use caution. There's a moderate rip current risk as well. Low tide comes up at 7:07 in the morning. The high tide 4:02 tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, low 53, clouds thickening up as the night goes on. Still a rather cool night. Northeast winds tomorrow back to 69 degrees. More clouds than today, that's for sure, and mild. East-northeasterly winds 8 to 16. So here we go. The next 3 days, 69, 74, 79, but showers and thunderstorms possible Friday. If you're traveling north of the valley, that possible is replaced with likely, not for us, but for folks Corpus Christi, San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, everybody going to get it on the ag north of us on Friday. But look at this. By the weekend, it clears out. There could be some leftover moisture early Saturday. You wake up, it'll still be cloudy. Could be a leftover shower or two, but as the day goes on, that should clear out, setting the stage for a sunny but cool end of the weekend and first part of next week. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.